Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, few minutes Java tutorial. I'm gonna explain you how to use if-else statements and switch statements. Let's get started. The first one is if statement, where you will use and how you will use. Okay, so I'll take one integer a is equal to 20. Here you can see a is equal to 20, right? Then if a is greater than 18, so if age is greater than 18, then only print system.out.println you are an adult. Okay, this is a if statement. So if age is greater than 18, then only you are a adult, or else you are a child. So how you will print else statement? If statement already you know, so how you will print if else or else if statement? Okay, next one is if else and else if statement, where you will use. So I'll take one example and I'll explain you guys. So here int marks equal to 75, right? I'll take one integer marks equal to 75. So this is my marks. Okay, take this is my mark. Okay, so if marks greater than or equal to 90, if my marks is greater than or equal to 90, then only it print grade A. Else if I'll use this, else if marks greater than or equal to 60, so system.out.println grade B. Okay, else I'll take this, else system.out.println grade C. So my marks is between 60, like greater than or equal to 60, right? So this is 75. So my answer is grade B. My grade is B only. Okay, are you understand? Okay, next I'll take switch statement. How you will use switch statements? Okay, I'll take one integer day equal to 3. So this is my requirement. So day 3 is I want a requirement like Wednesday. How you will write in switch statement? Okay, first one is switch day. I'll take day. Okay, first case 1, my case 1 system.out.println, this is one condition satisfies Monday, then break. Okay, my condition is not satisfying. Next one is case 2 system.out.println Tuesday. So this is also not satisfying my condition, so break. Case 3 system.out.println it's Wednesday, so my condition is satisfied, then I don't want. If you want, you can write case 4 equal to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday also. Okay, I'll just write this only 3 cases because I just want to explain in this thing only, so I'll write this, and this is a default. Next one is you should write default in switch case statement. So default system.out.println invalid day. So is there any 8 day is there? So when the requirement is in day equal to 8, then it's going to be a invalid day. Okay, okay, I think you guys are understand. Okay, I'll move next. When to use. So when to use your if else statement. So you have some ranges or complex condition, that time we are using a if else statements. Okay, then where to use your switch statements? When checking one variable for multiple exact variables like menu options and or days or and months, that time you are using switch statements. Okay, then I'll give one small question for you guys. This is a mini practice question. You have to understand by your own. Take 10 seconds. Okay. Okay. Don't see the answer firstly. Understand and answer it. Okay. Okay. I'll explain you. First, I'll take one int temp equal to 35. Right. So if temp greater than 30, then only it will print hot day, or else it will print cool day. Okay, what is the answer? 35 is greater than 30, so our condition is satisfied, hot day. So answer is hot day. Okay, Okay. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.